if you don't have any mani mask or cuticle tape and you're trying to figure out how am I going to do my manicure, then this is my favorite trick. So draw a U shape and make sure when you scrape upwards. Then you see this? It's a nice U shape, and I'm just gonna try and stamp this on. So you can see already I don't have any leftover stamp here. However, if you're doing dark colored stamp, I would recommend getting your mani mask out or your cuticle tape if you've got it, especially if your skin is dry around this area or you have like hard, rough parts of skin. Dark polishes love to cling to dry, hardened skin. However, light colors like this, you know, if there's just a little bit of fallout here, you can just take your brush and clean it up and it's going to be really quick. And then you also won't have to worry about cleaning around the whole finger and the whole nail.